Hello friends, it's me, and before we begin today, let me ask you a question. Have you ever paused about thinking like editing your photos using apps like Photoshop but stopped because they are a bit expensive? Yeah, but today I am gonna bring a pause and a stop to your worries because I have a solution for you. It's a free application which you don't even have to download. So, before anything else, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And then let's go to the magical website which I told you about, okay? So, go to Chrome or whichever browser you are using and then search photopea.com or simply copy paste the link in the description. You can do whatever. So this is the home page. To make a new project, just click new project, and then here just ignore the template site for the beginning. You can use template, but for today I'm using the basic. So I am gonna use, let's say, A4 size in the print section. And I'm gonna create the background color white. DPI is 300, and then I create it. So click the create button and ta-da! See, it's has layers just as Photoshop, and it can do anything you do with Photoshop. The only thing is it's totally free and you don't have to download it. You can just use it in the browser. Just visit photopea.com or just simply copy paste the link in description and comment section. So I think you will use this small trick I use for your videos and photos editions too. So I think you got what I am trying to point out. This Photopea website is amazing for photo edition. So I think you will hit that subscribe button and smash the bell